What challenges hinder value chain adaptation to demand shifts? Imagine trying to change your plans quickly but hitting a wall every time. That's what companies face when their value chain struggles to keep up with demand changes. When demand suddenly shifts, the ability to adapt smoothly is vital. But many hurdles get in the way, making quick adjustments tough. One big challenge is that many value chains are built for efficiency under steady demand. They rely on fixed suppliers, set production schedules, and specific transportation routes. This rigidity makes it hard to ramp up or slow down production fast. To be flexible, companies need adaptable logistics networks and smart inventory management. Without these, responding quickly can mean costly delays or excess stock. Another obstacle is limited visibility across the entire supply chain. If a company cannot see real-time data from suppliers, warehouses, and transportation, it's hard to spot demand changes early. Without integrated systems and advanced analytics, companies are often reacting too late. Digital tools like warehouse management systems can help, but not all companies have adopted them yet. External disruptions also play a big role. Natural disasters, political issues, or health crises like pandemics can suddenly shut down parts of the supply chain. These events cause delays, shortages, or surplus inventory. The pandemic showed how fragile global supply chains are and how important it is to have plans that can quickly change sourcing and delivery routes. Rising costs and limited resources add to the problem. Fuel prices fluctuate, transportation costs increase, and inflation pushes up expenses. These cost pressures make it harder to invest in flexible infrastructure or new technology needed for quick changes. Companies often struggle to balance keeping costs low and staying responsive. Infrastructure and technology limitations also slow down adaptation. Many logistics systems still relying on old infrastructure that isn't built for rapid change or climate resilience. Upgrading to modern, cloud-based platforms, automation, and predictive analytics requires significant investment and planning. Without these upgrades, companies are less able to respond swiftly. Organizational silos can create coordination issues. When suppliers, manufacturers, logistics providers, and retailers operate independently, decision-making slows down. Misaligned goals and poor communication make it harder to act quickly when demand shifts. Lastly, sustainability and regulatory pressures add complexity. Environmental rules and the push for greener logistics mean companies must consider carbon footprints and waste reduction. These factors can limit rapid sourcing or transportation changes, especially if they conflict with environmental goals. To overcome these challenges, companies should invest in digital tools for better visibility and demand forecasting. Building flexible supplier networks and transportation options helps diversify risk. Upgrading infrastructure to withstand disruptions is key. Balancing costs with investments in agility and fostering better collaboration among partners also makes a big difference. Incorporating sustainability into planning ensures that adaptations meet both market and environmental needs. In summary, the main hurdles are inflexibility, poor visibility, external disruptions, rising costs, outdated infrastructure, coordination issues, and sustainability demands. Addressing these requires smart planning, technology, and teamwork across the entire value chain.